Okay, good evening, dear students. As we have already discussed how to read out the passages and steps that we can follow to find out the answers for the questions that follow after the passage. We have discussed it earlier. The first step that I suggested you to go to the questions and options, read them, understand them. The second step, come back to the passage, read it carefully, and you can find the words which were there in the question, maybe there in the passage, that you should underline the keywords or some answers directly you may find it. Then again go back to the questions in the third step to find out the correct answers. See, using this method, today, let me do the first passage. See, for the first passage, first I'm going to read out the questions and options. First step. See, first question, where do whale sharks live? See, that is the question. See, what is the home of whale sharks? It is given like this. Four options are there. Arctic Ocean, icy lakes and rivers, Antarctica, warm oceans. Now let me pass on to the second. Okay, okay. No, I am not discussing. You please wait. You please wait. I am discussing only question and options. I did not go to the passage. When I discuss, at that time you can give the answer. Okay. Next. Which of the following statements is not true about whale sharks? See, here four statements are given about whale sharks. Out of them, three are correct. One is not true, incorrect. You should find out the incorrect statement here. First one, they do not have any bones. They move their body side to side to swim. They live in oceans, rivers, and lakes. They live in cold ocean waters. So the four statements are given. Now, when we go through the passage, we can find out which statement is wrong. Okay. Next. Third question. How many bones does a whale shark have? See, 4, 150, 3000, not even one. Okay, this is the question about number of bones in whale shark body. Okay, when we go through the passage, we may come across that one. Question number 4. For how many years may a whale shark live? See, lifespan of a whale shark is asked here. 20 to 30 years, 40 to 60 years, 100 to 150 years, 200 to 225 years. And the last question, what kind of markings does a whale shark have? See, the markings on the body, the pattern or design it is asked. Gray and white strips, brown and orange lines, yellow stripes and dots, gray and white spots. Okay, these are the options given there. Now, let me come to the passage now. Now you can see the passage. Now, let me read out the passage line by line and let us focus where some key points are there. Let us find out them. Of all the creatures on earth, sharks are long-time residents. They have lived here well before the dinosaurs roamed the land. Today, they live in every ocean. Wait. Today, they live in every ocean and even in some rivers and lakes. See, some rivers and lakes. It is highlighted. Okay, wait. See, this is a little bit. Okay. See here, every ocean, some rivers, and some lakes. It is given. Unlike bony fish, sharks have no bones. See, it is a question was asked about this one also. Unlike sharks, they have no bones. It is also mentioned there. Next, let me continue the passage. Their skeletons are made up of cartilage. The largest of all sharks is whale shark. Whale sharks can grow up to 12 meters long and may live for 100 to 150 years. See, you can underline this one also. 100 to 150 years. Because there was a question about the lifespan of whale sharks. They have distinct yellow stripes and dots on their gray skin. See, about the pattern or design on their skin, that is also asked. Okay. Now we have underlined those things and now we shall continue. To swim, whale sharks must move their entire bodies from side to side. See, this is also asked. How do they swim? They live in the warmer ocean waters and travel in both open and coastal waters. Okay. See, this is about the passage. Now, in the third step, let us discuss the questions with answers. Where do whale sharks live? Arctic Ocean, icy lakes and rivers, Antarctica, warm oceans. Revant, can you? Very good. Warm oceans is the correct answer. Next, warm ocean is the correct answer. Let us pass on to the next question. Which of the following statements is not true about whale sharks? False statement we should find. They do not have any bones. It is true. They move their body side to side to swim. They live in ocean, ah, oceans, rivers, ah, yes. They live in cold ocean waters. It is not mentioned. So the wrong statement is D. Now let us pass on to the third question. How many bones does a whale shark have? How many bones? Not even one. Very good. That is the correct answer. Not even one is the correct answer. Right. Now, next question. For how many years a whale shark may live? Lifespan of very good. 100 to 150. 100 to 150 years. Okay. Next. What kind of markings does a whale shark have? Gray and white uh, yellow strips and dots on the gray body. Option C is the answer for that. Okay. In this way, you can find the answers for the passages. Now, I think you have understood the passage well and you have done it well. Now, let us continue the second passage. Wait.